Hello everyone, my name is Murali Basham. I'm the managing partner for Basham Shaw Immigration Law Group, talking to you from beautiful Raleigh, North Carolina this morning. And I'm sure hello everyone, my name is Murali Basham with Basham Shaw Immigration Law Group, chatting with you from beautiful Raleigh, North Carolina this morning. And I'm sure everyone is curious about Trump's executive order, which he issued yesterday limiting some non-immigrant work visas. So let me just cut to the chase here because we're getting a lot of questions from HR folks and employees, many of whom are quite worried about how this could impact companies and the workforce. So let me just get right to it and tell you exactly who it impacts and who it doesn't, actually. So what Trump has done is he's basically saying that anybody who's outside the US, remember I'm saying outside the US, in H-1B, L-1, H-2B, or J-1, cannot apply for a visa until the end of this year is over. So it does not impact anybody who is actually in the US in H-1B status, L-1 status, J-1, or H-2B. Nor does it impact any other visa category such as O-1, TN, B-1, B-2, or F-1 students. So that's kind of important to remember right now because we do have a lot of students right now who are on OPT or STEM OPT who have applied for their H-1B. And as long as that H-1B is done as a change of status application, then this executive order is not going to impact that case or whoever is in that situation. And I think that's important for everyone to remember. So if you have a CAP case as an employer, and this CAP case is done as a consular processing case, then you could have an impact there because even though the case can get approved with the USCIS on the US end, once it gets approved, since that employee outside the US has to apply for a H-1B visa stamp, that employee cannot do that since this executive order basically prevents that from happening all through 2020 until January 1, 2021. Now, what's the practical effect or impact of all of this? I mean, right now we have coronavirus-related travel bans anyway, for most of the world, actually. So we don't know when that's going to reopen. Right now people can't apply for visas anyway, simply because a lot of the consulates are closed, for visa processing. And it might be another couple of months or so, or 2 or 3 months before that even opens. So from a practical standpoint, you're talking probably about waiting another 2-3 months until the end of the year until anybody can apply for a visa. So it has limited impact. Don't get me wrong, it has an impact, certainly for folks who are outside the US who want to get here quickly and begin their jobs or whatever status they want to come in within those categories. But from a practical standpoint, it has a limited impact from a time standpoint. Now, there are some categories that we, don't know exactly what's going to happen, or some situations where we don't know exactly how this is going to play out. We do know that it does impact the dependents of people who are on H1, L1, J1, or H2B. Something to keep in mind. We certainly don't recommend that anybody travel at this time outside the US. So if you're here, stay here. And any questions you have about the executive order or anything else, feel free to talk to us or any immigration attorney, and we'd be happy to explain it to you. But stay tuned. We'll be posting more videos and more content on this. And the best advice I can say right now is simply just don't travel if you're here. And any questions you have, contact us. And let's see how this plays out over the next few months. And I hope everyone has a good day. If you want to contact us, our number is 919-833-0840. And my email address is just murali@bashamshaw.com. And we're always here to help you. Thanks.